told you about the caiman and the crocodiles and stuff. Okay, now let's see if he likes the couch. Whoa! Here's my castle I got from my birthday when I was turning 4, but I'm 6. Let's see if he likes it. Let's see if he does. Oh, he does. He's crawling around there. He's being funny. He looks like he likes it. He can actually climb too. Or she, I don't know. I think it might be a she. But he's not climbing. He wondered what the red stuff is. It's like Play-Doh. He was trying to eat it, I think. So like, oh, he's gonna fall. Oh, right, I forgot he can climb. Oh, he was gonna fall. He took a tumble. I'm gonna put him down here and see if he likes it. Oh, he actually likes it down there because it kind of camouflages in there because he's brown now and it's like dark. Because he feels safe in there, it looks like. Feels safe in there. I wonder what if I do this. That is scary. I know it's like a pool.